Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me, and today I am going to tell you an amazing story. This is not just for fun, rather this is the true story of my life. Hello, my name is Pooja. I am 30 years old and I live in a Mumbai city. I have a handsome husband. His name is Kamal. I have a baby. She is so beautiful. I and my husband loves her very much. I was happy and my life was complete, and I realized that there was nothing missing in my life. I love my husband very much. He also loved me very much. Before 3 years ago, I met Kamal when we were in college. We hit off immediately. Kamal was kind, funny, and good person. He made me feel special and bright. We dated for a year before getting married. I felt like everything is perfect. We moved into our first home and started a family and built a life together. Kamal was a good man. He was always smile and kindness to people. He worked hard all day and night and made me feel safe. Our life together seemed perfect. We had our good home, one marvelous car and two golden chains. You know, everything was fine in my life. I don't want to need any more in my life. I was happy. I trusted him completely. I was very proud of my husband. But one day, life changed. Kamal came home late in the evening. I asked him, "Where were you till now?" He did not say anything to me and went to sleep on the bed. Maybe he was drunk. The next morning, when he woke up, I wanted to ask him something, but he did not answer me. He was quiet and silent, but his red eyes were saying something. I was very worried. I thought maybe something was going wrong. Like every day when he came late home again evening, he looked very tired. He was drunk again. His eyes were red and his legs were trembling. He slowly came into the bedroom and without saying anything, he went on bed and slept. I was very worried and I was thinking about something when suddenly his phone rang. When I picked up the phone, I heard a girl's voice. Her voice was trembling. I asked, "Who are you?" She replied a low voice, "My name is Maria." "Who Maria?" I said angrily. I was very upset, but I asked her, "What do you have to do with my husband?" She remained silent for some time and then said, "He is my boyfriend." She said that I am going to be the mother of his child. I was shocked for hearing this. That night I couldn't sleep and I couldn't eat anything. I was worried all night thinking about this. When morning came, he woke up and I asked him, Who is Maria? He looked at me and said, How do you know her? I said, I got a call from her last night. He was surprised and said, She is my just a friend. I said angrily, Just a friend or your second wife? He got angry and hit me very bad and went away from there. From that day, he always hit me again and again and again. We started argument between both of us. I started living alone at home with my baby child. I started living with these old memories. Now I understood that this was my bad luck. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, my all dear friends.